What's up, fam? It's Southern Smoke Boss back here again today, baby. Hey, so today I'm gonna be doing I got some green cabbage. I'm gonna be doing some green cabbage with some carrots, some onions, and some green peppers. And I got some smoked turkey that I pulled the turkey off the turkey legs. It's some smoked turkey legs after I boiled it up. So first I'm gonna start by just pulling the outer layer off the cabbage. That thick outer layer you want to pull off. So we're just gonna cut around the core like so. Just gonna push that to the side, and we're gonna do the same for all of them before we actually start cutting it up. Okay, now we have our pan nice and hot. We'll go ahead and add our cabbage in here. We're just gonna use some vegetable oil cooking the cabbage. No bacon grease today. So I'm just gonna put my carrots over here on top. Let's let it go ahead and cook down. We'll come back later and add in our peppers, onions, and turkey. Back, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my green peppers, onions, and my turkey meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in just some regular salt. Got some black pepper I'm gonna add in. Just go ahead and push everything on down in the cabbage. Let's just let it finish cooking. All right, so our cabbage, it's nice and done. Yeah, let me go ahead and get me a nice hunk out of here. Hey, I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in or seeing me making cabbage videos. I know y'all he loves some cabbage, so I just had to make some different cabbage videos because there's people out there that don't eat pork. So I made one today with some smoked turkey legs, just so I can have something different on the channel going. For people who out there don't like pork. Yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to this video today. Peace out.